welcome to another The Daily Then Week in Review Influencer Edition. Let's dive in.
My fellow Americans, I'm pleased to tell you today that I've signed legislation that will outlaw Russia forever. We begin bombing in 5 minutes.
August 11, a live mic, and a joke about bombing another country. Totally chill. So were you trying to start World War III for the bit?
Lady, I'm just trying not to pee myself.
August 12, IBM launches their first personal computer. No internet, no mouse, just pure beige energy. Cool, so where's the TikTok button?
The what button?
August 13, Disney's Bambi hits theaters. Cute deer, tragic family drama. So what did you think of the movie?
I thought it was beautiful.
They killed his mom.
Yeah, that was rough.
August 14, Social Security is born. A promise of money in your old age. Allegedly.
So, is there even going to be money when I'm old?
Not if you keep asking me questions on my break.
August 15, peace, love, music, and a mud pit that could swallow a bus.
So, where's the VIP area?
You're standing in it, man.
August 16, Sports Illustrated hits the stands. All sports. 0 bikinis.
So where's the swimsuit issue?
What's a swimsuit issue?
August 17, the first escalator debuts. Moving stairs blow everyone's mind.
So, you invented standing still?
And going nowhere faster.